UGC ads are the best performing ads right now. But hiring those creators, shipping them products, waiting days for those edits, they cost real money. And that is why I have built this simple UGC workflow that creates UGC ads, voiceovers, videos, and scripts from product images and a simple description. So let's get into it. So this entire workflow starts from a simple form submission. This is an n8n form. When you submit this form, it immediately triggers this workflow. So you submit your product name, the product description, the product URL, and the video style. This video style is exactly how you want this video to be, how you want it to be like. So that's what you're going to send, that's what you're going to submit via this form. Now, when you've submitted this form, we normalize this out the response we get from this form using this edit field node in n8n. We're just simply getting exactly what you submitted in the form. We're getting it out and sending it into Claude. So Claude receives the product name, the product description, and the video style. Then from that, what you submitted, it creates a script for the voiceover, and it also creates a video prompt for Key.ai. Key.ai is what we're going to be using to generate our UGC video. So when Claude has created this, then we use this code node to actually clean the JSON that Claude is sending to us. When you look at this JSON here, when you look at this JSON, you can see that we cannot map this into another node. That is why we're using this code node to actually clean this up to give us a mappable output. So our input. So this is the script here. This is the video prompt we're going to be sending to Key.ai, and this is the script we're going to be sending to ElevenLabs. So we have two parts here. This is for ElevenLabs and this is for Key.ai. So here we are sending what we have here, the script, to ElevenLabs, and ElevenLabs is then going to generate our script for us. This is our video, this is our voiceover here.
So this thing completely changed my mornings and my camping trips.
Okay, so this is what ElevenLabs created for us. For the script, we have a voiceover that we're going to merge with our UGC video. So when we're done with that, so in n8n, the first branch actually goes first before this part here comes through. So when this is done, the voiceover is done, we upload the voiceover in the Google Drive folder. We upload it into our Google Drive folder. This is it here. We upload it into the Google Drive folder. Then we get a shareable link. We get a shareable link from Google Drive that we're then going to send to, we're going to merge and send to Shotstack. Shotstack is going to combine our voiceover with our UGC video. But before we get there, let's talk about our Key.ai. So this part here is for Key.ai. Key.ai is the one creating our UGC video for us based on those video prompts that we are sending to it. That is what Key.ai is going to use to create our UGC video for us. Then when it's done, so when we send this, because it doesn't create immediately, it is not an instant work. It's not it takes a bit of time. So if you're going to create like a 15 or a 5-second video, it takes a bit of time. So when we send it, it just sends the tax ID. That tax ID is then what we're going to use to get the video from Key.ai. So we wait a bit because, like I mentioned, it takes a bit of time to process. And when it's done processing, then we send it to Key.ai to actually retrieve the video using the tax ID Key.ai actually gave us. So we send Key.ai, and if it's not successful, that's why we have this loop here. So if it's not successful, we check first, is the video ready? If it is not ready, then we have this wait node here that waits a few seconds again, then goes ahead to check again if it is ready. Then if it is ready, then we proceed to the next one. We have this merge node here that is going to merge the output from the voiceover, that's from ElevenLabs and Key.ai, that we're then going to send to Shotstack. So let me create this. So we're going to send it to Shotstack. Shotstack is then going to merge our video and our voiceover together and send us an output. So Shotstack is then going to merge our voiceover with our video together, then send us an output. The same way Key.ai behaves, it is not an instant process. So we wait a bit, if it's not ready, we check with the ID that Shotstack gives us. We use the ID to check if it is ready. So this is what we use. We choose to check it if it's ready. So if it's ready, then it goes over to get the video data. So Shoot sends us a URL. And because we want to also upload our video into Google Drive folder, we need the binary data. So that's why we're using this HTTP request to actually retrieve the video data. So that's what we're then going to use to upload to Google Drive folder. So let's play this. So you can
Okay,
see.
so this thing completely changed my mornings. Yeah, my camping trips. Slow brew makes a full cup in like 3 minutes, no outlet needed. It's
Okay.
tiny, it's fast, and honestly, the coffee is way.
Okay, so you can see our video is actually nice, but the voiceover is actually longer than our video. This is something we can actually work on. So Key.ai actually costs some credits, and I'm using the free credit that it has given me to create this video. So I can't run this again because I've already exhausted my credit. If I need to run this again, I will need to subscribe to Key.ai, which I don't want to do because I'm using this for just this video. So if you want to build this is actually very simple and it doesn't cost too much credit. So if you're going to use this for your UGC content, you know this is for your business. Some money are actually quite affordable. So they have credit for $5, $20 from Key.ai. So imagine you just spending $5 to create because for this I spent about 50 credits to create this simple video, and it cost me nothing to that because I use the free credit to do that. But if you're hiring a creator, this is going to cost you more than the free credit I actually use. So the voiceover is quite longer than the video. This is something we can actually reprompt to actually fix this. This is not a serious issue. It's something we can just prompt and tell the AI to actually reduce the script and give us something short. We don't want something long, so it actually matches the video. So everything with this, it just works with prompting your prompts and a perfect UGC video. So you can see what we have here. What we have is actually very nice. A short, simple.
Okay, so this thing completely changed my mornings. Yeah, my camping trips.
Okay.
The slow brew makes a full cup in like 3 minutes.
Okay. So you
No
see,
outlet needed.
just need to work on it more. We just need to work on it more to cut out to make sure that it is actually matching. And we can create a longer video too as well. Like I mentioned, our credit, we're using the free plan, so we cannot create a much longer video than this. That is why you see it is short. So we can do better than this as well. So that's how we built a UGC ad video. So if you want us to build something like this for you and your business, the link is in the description. Click on it and book a 15-minute consultation with I and Five. So my name is Neka Jennifer Alisi, is a co-founder of Orchestrix. Together with my co-founder Five, we build AI automation and web product for businesses. So we can build this for you and your business. Just click in the link in the description. And if you loved watching this, please subscribe to our channel. And we'll love to hear from you. We'll love to hear your comments. What you want us to build next for you, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining. Until next time, have a good day, have a good morning, whenever you're watching. Bye.